Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be about how you can learn data analysis, AI skills and any other skills related to Python, Java or any programming language. So the name of this website is DataCamp and over here you can learn millions of courses regarding programming, AI, data analysis and many much more. So I'll show you how it works. Okay, let's start learning for free. Let's click on this. Let's log in with Google. Let's select some settings where I want to be. You can select whichever you want. If you want to be a data scientist, click on this. If you want to be a data analyst, then click on this. Or if you want to be a data engineer or developer, it's on you. It's your choice. Or if you don't know where you want to begin or where you want to be, then just click on I don't know yet. Let's go with this one. Okay. And it shows you a introduction track, like the first course which you should do, like a foundation course to understand what are the fundamentals of data topics like data foundations and understanding of different data roles and concepts like data visualization, data engineering and cloud computing. You will be able to understand everything related to that from this introduction track. You can click on start and start this track. And I really like how the interface is on this website. It looks really good. It shows you the first like videos and then it also gives you tasks to complete. You can click on got it. Let's go. And then these are some quizzes. Like after you read and after you see a video, it does a small test like a quiz to understand if you have already learned what it was from the video itself. So you can submit the answer over here by looking at the question and answering correctly by choosing the option. And I'll show you some of the courses over here. Okay. There are a lot of courses on DataCamp. It's on you what you want to be. You can start with basic, intermediate, and expert or advanced level courses over here. So I just want to show you some of the basic courses like this: understanding data science, introduction to Python, introduction to Power BI. You can get anything related to programming on this website itself. You can learn quickly and it also gives you certifications once you have completed learning the course. So as you can see, there are a lot of courses and a lot of at different levels too. These are all basic level courses. You can use more filters and then select more. For example, let's go with courses related to Python. Let's check out the courses related to Python. As you can see, intermediate level course, which is regarding exploratory data analysis in Python, which is pretty good. Then once again another intermediate level course developing LLM applications with LangChain and many much more. There are a lot of courses related to Python. You can choose whichever you want to do and you can complete that course, and once you complete that course you get your free certification. So over here you can see the pricing plan. Now if you want access to all the courses on DataCamp, then you have to upgrade to a premium plan, because on free version you can only complete the first chapter of any course. If you want to complete the whole course, you have to upgrade to a premium plan. So that's how DataCamp works. It doesn't give you anything for free. You can test out some of the first chapters of some courses for free on basic tier, but if you want to complete the whole course, then you have to take a premium version, which sounds really good. The pricing is amazing. It's not very pricey. It's at a substantially good level, I would say, because there are a lot of courses on DataCamp and they are really industry leading courses. DataCamp is an amazing website to learn Python or data analysis or anything. Now I want to once again show you. You can do something called as certifications, where it gives you personalized career certifications over here. So for example, as you can see, career certifications here, if you have a career in mind, for example, if you want to be a data analyst, then you can go ahead and do this career certification called as data analyst. You can click on get started. It shows you how many courses you have to do. This is the basic level, then intermediate, and you can select whichever you want, or it's on you. So as you can see over here, prepare with DataCamp. These are the skill assessment for the first one. Then register for the certification. You have to register after you do all the courses for data analyst certification. And it's awarded to individuals who successfully complete one timed exam and one practical exam. After registering, you have 30 days to complete your certification. Once you give the time exam and the practical exam, you get your certification related to data analyst. We are doing the data analyst associate certification. You can see how it looks like over here, which is pretty amazing. I would say DataCamp is really good and it's industry leading courses and it's amazing. You can do these types of courses on DataCamp because it is accredited and a lot of people have already done this and they say that DataCamp is amazing. The testimonials for this website are really good. So you can trust this website and do certifications on this website itself because it's amazing. That's what I wanted to show you. Or else if you just want to do single courses, you can click on single courses over here and you can do basic courses or whichever courses you want to do based on yourself, based on your preference. There is one more thing called as career tracks. If you want to, you can go ahead and do this kind of thing called as career tracks, where you, if you already have a mind, if you want to be a data analyst, you can go ahead and do this career track based on associate data analyst in SQL. And in this, you get cumulative 13 courses selected for this career track. So what it means that you have to complete these 13 courses, and once you complete these 13 courses, you get a certification called as Associate Data Analyst in SQL. So this is one example. It's on you which career track you want to do. If you want to do a data scientist, you can do this one, or data visualization career track, you can go on this one. It's on you. It's on your basis. So this is also one more thing I wanted to show you on DataCamp. You can do career tracks. What I'll prefer is don't do single courses from here. Go for career tracks as this is the best thing for yourself. You get cumulative courses for what you want to be. Once you once you do these courses on these career tracks, you are on the road to be a data analyst or a data scientist as per the career track you choose. So that's how it works. It also gives you a lot of projects to do while you're doing this career tracks, which you can add on GitHub, for example, so that people can see your projects on GitHub and they might even hire you based on your projects itself. So that's why I say DataCamp is really amazing. It gives you courses plus projects to do on your own. So that's really amazing. So yeah, that's everything I wanted to show you from my side. And there are a lot of other features on the left side which you can explore on your own time. This is everything I wanted to show you on this website. It's really amazing. It is an accredited website, and I've also used this in the past to do my data analyst certification, and it was really, really good. I got to learn a lot of things in data analytics. So that's why I'm recommending this to you as a website itself, and that's why I'm making a video on this. So thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you.